Today's Mind Ease Daily introduces mindful rain breath, a gentle practice linking the breath to the rhythm of rain and quiet streets. Begin with a slow inhale through the nose for 4 counts, then exhale through the mouth for 6, letting tension dissolve. As thoughts drift, observe them like clouds while the body relaxes, stress eases, and a calm inner voice arises. This simple ritual trains steady attention and turns daily noise into a harbor of calm you can return to anytime. With daily practice, tiny pauses become anchors, guiding Mind Ease daily towards steadiness and renewed well-being.